Back in this video I will guide you how you can insert grid lines over a picture in PowerPoint. For this you need to click on the insert and click on the pictures, click on this device and select the picture from your computer device. I have this picture. You can make it resize, select it, even you can crop it like this one. Click outside, select the picture, click insert, click on the table and select the 4 by 4 table. You can resize it like this one, drag onto the picture, stretch to the full picture, and now head to the table design in the top menu bar, and now head to the shading and click no fill. You can select the line. Here you can select the different line, click on the border and click on the all borders to apply. So if you want to change the line, then head to the lines and change the border, click on the borders and click on the all border. You can also increase the width of the line from 3 pt, click on the borders and click on all borders. It has been increased. If you want to change the color, head to the pen color and click on the white, click on the borders and click on the all borders, and here you can see that, and make it straight line, go to the borders and apply to all borders, and here you can see that. So this is pretty simple and easy. So this way you can easily insert grid lines over a picture in PowerPoint. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.